สวัสดีค่ะ
Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're building on what we learned in episode 21, delving deeper into the common Thai questions you'll use in daily conversations. We'll explore different ways to ask these questions, providing you with a thorough understanding that will help both beginners and advanced learners. Before we dive in, if you enjoy our content, please hit the like button to support our channel. Ready? Let's boost your Thai speaking skills with more essential questions. Let's start with how to ask someone about their profession, a key question in both social and professional contexts.
คุณทำงานอะไร
Let's break down the Thai phrase which translates to, "What is your job?"
ทำงาน
means work. This is made up of two parts.
ท
This means to do or to make. It's a verb that shows action.
ำงาน
This means work or job. It's a noun that refers to the work or task someone does.
อะไร
This simply means what. It's often used in questions when you want to find out more information about something. When you put it all together,
คุณทำงานอะไร
is asking, "What do you do for work?" or "What is your job?" If someone asks you this question, and if you are a male and a teacher, you would respond.
ผมเป็นครูครับ
Here's a breakdown of each word in the sentence.
ผม
This is a personal pronoun used by males referring to themselves. It's equivalent to I or me in English.
เป็น
This verb means am or is. It's used to describe an occupation or a state of being.
ครู
This noun means teacher.
ครับ
This is a polite particle used by males to add formality and politeness to a statement. It's commonly used at the end of sentences to show respect or formality. If you are a female and a doctor, you would say,
ฉันเป็นหมอค่ะ
which translates to, "I am a doctor,"
ฉัน
is the pronoun used by females for I or me.
เป็น
Translates as am, a verb used to describe your profession.
หมอ
Means doctor.
ค่ะ
This is a polite particle used by females to add formality and politeness to a statement, especially at the end of sentences to show respect or formality. Another common way to ask about someone's occupation is,
คุณทำอาชีพอะไร
this question translates to, "What is your profession? Where?"
อาชีพ
Specifically refers to profession or occupation, making it slightly more formal than just asking about a job. In Thai, to say, "I am an engineer" as a male, you would say,
ผมเป็นวิศวกร วิศวกร
means engineer. For a male speaker saying, "I am a dentist" in a casual manner using the colloquial term, you would say,
ผมเป็นหมอฟันครับ
Here's the breakdown of new words in this sentence.
หมอฟัน
Dentist, a casual term where,
หมอ
as we learned before, means doctor and
ฟัน
means tooth. In addition, for a more formal context, particularly in professional settings, a male dentist would say,
ผมเป็นทันตแพทย์
breaking down the formal term.
ทันตแพทย์
This is the formal term for dentist.
ทันตะ
This part comes from dental, relating specifically to teeth.
แพทย์
Means doctor, typically used in the context of medical professions. To ask, where do you work? In Thai, the common phrase used is
คุณทำงานที่ไหน ทำงาน
as we learned before means to work.
ที่
This is a locative marker or preposition that translates to at or in, used to indicate a place or location.
ไหน
This question word means where. It is used to inquire about the location or place. When combined,
คุณทำงานที่ไหน
directly translates to where do you work? This question is straightforward and is commonly used in both casual and formal settings to inquire about someone's place of employment. If you want to say I work at a hospital in Thai, you would say
ผมทำงานที่โรงพยาบาล ผมทำงานที่โรงพยาบาล
which translates to I work at a hospital, the terms
โรง
and
พยาบาล
play specific roles.
โรง
Primarily means a place designated for specific functions or operations. It is a prefix used in combination with another word that describes the primary function of the facility or building.
โรงพยาบาล
Translates to hospital. Here,
พยาบาล
refers to nursing or medical care, so
โรงพยาบาล
indicates a facility where medical care is provided. If you want to say, I work at a hotel in Thai, you would say
ฉันทำงานที่โรงแรม
in this sentence,
โรงแรม
means hotel with
แรม
derived from to stay or lodge. Therefore,
โรงแรม
describes a building designed for staying or lodging. If you want to say, she is a nurse at a large hospital in Bangkok, you would say
เธอเป็นพยาบาลที่โรงพยาบาลใหญ่ในกรุงเทพ เธอเป็นพยาบาลที่โรงพยาบาลใหญ่ในกรุงเทพ
Let's break down the new words in this sentence.
เธอ
Is a versatile Thai pronoun used for both he and she. It is predominantly used in informal contexts among friends or in personal relationships due to its intimate and familiar tone. While gender-neutral, its use must be context-appropriate, as it can imply a close relationship that might not exist in formal or professional settings. In more formal interactions, pronouns like
คุณ
are preferred to maintain politeness and respect.
ใหญ่
Large. This adjective is used to describe the size of the hospital.
กรุงเทพ
Is the official Thai name for Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand. Interestingly, the full ceremonial name is much longer and is recognized by the Guinness World Records as the world's longest place name. However, we'll stick with Krung Thep for now, because if we tried to cover the full name in this video, we might not have time for much else. So, let's keep it simple and continue with the essentials. Now, I want to share an important detail with you that often confuses even those who have been studying Thai for a while. Let's talk about two small but mighty words.
ใน ไหน
Understanding these can help clarify a lot of the confusions regarding location expressions in Thai.
ใน
This is a preposition that translates to in or inside, is pronounced with a mid-tone. It's a straightforward, level sound without any rise or fall in pitch throughout its duration. It's used to specify the location of something within a larger context, like within a building or an area. For instance, when you say,
ในกรุงเทพ
you mean in Bangkok. This word helps you pinpoint where something happens or exists inside a defined space. On the other hand,
ไหน
is a question word meaning where. It's pronounced with a high tone. It starts at a higher pitch and maintains this elevated pitch level, distinguishing it from the mid-tone. It's essential for forming questions when you need to find out the location of something or someone. For example,
ที่ไหน
directly asks where, in the context of seeking a location. Let's explore some common questions in Thai that delve into marital and family life. These inquiries are commonly used in social settings where such personal details are appropriate to discuss. Let's delve deeper into how to ask if someone is married in Thai.
คุณแต่งงานหรือยัง คุณแต่งงานหรือยัง
Are you married? Here's a breakdown of each component of the phrase.
แต่ง
Means to dress or to adorn, but when used with
งาน
which means work or event, it specifically refers to getting married or marriage. Together
แต่งงาน
means marriage or to marry.
หรือ
Is a conjunction that means or.
ยัง
Means yet or still, and is often used to form a question that expects a yes-no answer about the current state of something. Together
หรือยัง
at the end of a sentence forms a common pattern for yes-no questions, essentially asking if the action has been completed or is still in a particular state. By combining these elements,
คุณแต่งงานหรือยัง
directly translates to have you married yet? Or more naturally in English, are you married? This question format is polite and suitable for contexts where it is appropriate to ask about personal life, such as during a friendly conversation or in a social gathering. Let's look at the typical responses depending on whether the person is married or not. If married,
แต่งงานแล้ว แต่งงานแล้ว
means already married.
แล้ว
Signifies completion, indicating that the person is already married. If not married,
ยังไม่ได้แต่งงาน ไม่ได้
is used to indicate that the action, in this case, getting married, has not occurred. It can be translated as not or have not, implying a lack of completion regarding the action mentioned. In Thai, if someone is not married and wants to respond succinctly to the question, "Are you married?" they can simply say,
ยัง
This brief response uses just the word
ยัง
which means yet or still in this context, effectively communicating that they have not married yet. It's a common and culturally accepted short response that conveys the message clearly and directly without additional explanation. After exploring marital status, it's natural to delve into questions about family, particularly about children, which is a common topic in many social interactions. Question:
คุณมีลูกกี่คน คุณมีลูกกี่คน
How many children do you have? This question is a typical way to inquire about family size in Thai. Let's break down each part of the sentence to understand it fully.
มี
means have or possess. In this context, it's used to indicate possession or existence of something, which in this case are children.
ลูก
This word means child or children. It's a straightforward term for offspring, both singular and plural.
กี่คน
means how many people, specifically asking about the number of children in this context.
กี่
Translates as how many, used in questions to inquire about quantity.
คน
Means person or people. When used with numbers, it indicates count of individuals. Let's look at how you might respond if you have 3 children.
มีลูก3 คน
I have 3 children.
3
This is the Thai word for 3. Let's explore how to ask about someone's romantic status in Thai and how to respond to it. Question:
คุณมีแฟนไหม
Do you have a romantic partner? This question is commonly used to inquire if someone is currently in a romantic relationship. Here's a breakdown of the new words.
แฟน
Means boyfriend or girlfriend, referring to a romantic partner.
ไหม
Is a question particle used to turn a statement into a yes-no question. It is typically added to the end of a sentence to indicate that the speaker is asking for a confirmation or denial of the statement. It works similarly to the English auxiliary verbs do or does in turning statements into questions.
ไหม
Is pronounced with a high tone. In Thai, tones are essential to meaning. The high tone starts at a high pitch and stays high, making it distinct and easy to recognize in conversation. If you want to respond negatively, you can say,
ไม่มี
translates to no, I don't have. Here
ไม่
is used to negate verbs, adjectives, and certain auxiliary verbs. It translates to not in English and is used to express negation or absence. Is pronounced with a falling tone, which starts at a high pitch and then drops down. Let's delve into how to initiate a conversation about Thai food, which can serve as an excellent way to engage with someone about their culinary preferences, especially regarding local cuisine. Question:
คุณชอบอาหารไทยไหม คุณชอบอาหารไทยไหม
Do you like Thai food? This question is not only a fantastic icebreaker, but also opens up a dialogue about one of Thailand's most internationally recognized aspects, its cuisine. Here's a breakdown of the sentence.
ชอบ
Means like. It is used here to inquire about someone's preference or fondness for something.
อาหารไทย
Means Thai food, referring to the cuisine that originates from Thailand, known for its distinct flavors and ingredients. If you like Thai food, you can simply say,
ชอบ
means like. This is a straightforward affirmative response. If you want to say, I like it a lot, you would say,
ชอบมาก
if you do not like Thai food,
ไม่ชอบ
means do not like. This is how you would respond if you're not particularly fond of Thai food. If you want to say, I don't like it at all, you would say,
ไม่ชอบเลย
Thank you for joining me in episode 22. Remember, mastering these questions can significantly improve your conversational skills in Thai. Practice them, use them in your interactions, and watch how your fluency grows. If you found this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your feedback helps shape our content, so let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below.